Hey guys, my name is Leanne Webster. I'm an attorney at the firm Strickland Webster LLC here in Atlanta. We are a criminal defense firm, but we mostly handle appeals and post-conviction matters. So one thing that happens at our office a fair amount is that people call us and they know that they have a loved one. That loved one is in custody and will remain in custody for quite a while unless they have someone who can help them either challenge the case on appeal or in a post-conviction matter. So what they don't know is a lot of the information that we need in order to accurately determine what can be done, what the next step is, and how much we're going to charge for it. So I thought I would make this video so that we can explain a couple of things that we need from you before we can provide accurate information and tell you what the next steps are in your loved one's case. Okay, the first thing that we need to know is when. So that means when your loved one went into court and was told by a judge, this is how much time you're going to have to do in custody. We need to know that date. The second thing that we need to know is where. Where did the conviction happen at? And so that has two aspects to it. The first is, was it federal? Or was it state? Was it the United States of America versus your loved one, or was it the state of Georgia versus your loved one? Your loved one should be able to tell you this. The other aspect of the where question is, in the state context, what county was it in? Was it in Fulton or DeKalb County in the Atlanta area, or was it somewhere more rural? Was it, Mitchell County or Richmond County or Floyd County, places like that? We need to know that too. The other thing that we need to know is if it was in federal court, what district it came from. So if you're in Atlanta, that's the Northern District of Georgia. If you're in Miami, that's the Southern District of Florida. We need to know that information in order to be able to help you. The third category of information that we need to know is what has happened since then. What has happened since your client went into court that day and was told how much time they're going to have to do. So have they already gone to the higher court, the Court of Appeals, or are they just now in that stage where they just convicted it and they haven't gone anywhere else yet? The other option for that is something that our clients call the Hague process, and that's where they've already done their direct appeal process and they are now fighting a habeas corpus petition. And so that's a separate proceeding, and so we need to know where along that path or where in that process they are so we know what needs to happen. So those are the categories of information that you need to know before you call an appellate attorney or a post-conviction attorney, because that's the information that we need to be able to give you accurate information about what's next and how we can proceed and what we can do in order to help the person that you care about. If you have a loved one in any of those scenarios, we'd love to talk to you. Please give us a call. It's 404-590-7967. Thanks. Bye.